First of all, I just want to take a moment and thank Jumbo and Delicious. One of the best burgers we've had in Tennessee. They are amazing, loving people. Thank you so much for sponsoring our first annual Burger Wars tour. We are going to the next spot. Okay, the storm caught us. We raced the storm and now we're here. We'll show you around here. We're on their covered patio, thank the Lord, a little dripping. People are here. Oh, rush hour downtown is horrible. We got the Grindhouse app. Welcome to the Grindhouse. And you go inside and you order. Let me go show you the menu over there. Okay, the storm caught us. We raced the storm and now we're here. We'll show you around here. We're on their covered patio, thank the Lord, a little dripping. People are here. Oh, rush hour downtown is horrible. We got the Grindhouse app. Welcome to the Grindhouse. And you go inside and you order. Okay, they got smoothie drinks. Shake of the month is key lime pie. I'll show you the menu right there. There we go. Alright, let's see the sign. Crinkle cut fries. They do good fries here. Crinkle cut, top of cheese sauce, top of chili and cheddar, top of bacon and blue, medallion onion rings, fringes. They do a good job. What about, do they have shakes? No? Milkshakes? Try the drinks. Oh, they got regular shakes. Booze, no. They got shakes with alcohol. Great. They gotta have regular shakes with no alcohol. We got fried pickles, sweet potatoes. They got sweet potato black bean dip, cheesy puffs. They're fried pimento cheese nuggets. Fried green tomatoes, dirty south fries. Chili cheddar. Oh yeah, that's what we're getting. Oh, this is nice. This is their Bloody Mare. It's kind of like a horror type theme, I think, with the Grindhouse and everything. We're just waiting for the men's room. They don't have a big bathroom, obviously. And there's a robot here. All right, there's plenty of seating inside, but it's warmer outside. It's too cold inside. Literally, they got fans and air conditioning going and everything. So we're sitting outside. Okay, those are the dirty south fries, right?
Yeah.
Hey, can you tell me what's on these fries?
Everything.
No, seriously, what's on these fries?
Jalapeno, bacon, onion. Go ahead. Cheese. Lots of cheese.
And not cooked jalapeno.
Chili.
Not pickled jalapeno.
I see red onions.
Mm-hmm.
I see bacon. I see cheese jalapeno. I see a
Or
sauce.
something. Yeah, there's a couple
Some sauce on there. Is there chili on there or something?
Yes.
Chili on there. Oh my
Absolutely.
gosh.
They smell delicious.
These are the best looking fries we've seen on the trip yet.
By far.
And what does that look like? And that's the what?
Grinder burger.
The grinder
That thing
burger?
is just oozing. Look at the back of
Oh
the thing.
my gosh. Okay, this looks delicious, but what do you notice about this?
What do I notice about
Yeah.
it? For me,
It's the smallest burger we've ever had on the show. I mean, even McDonald's had a bigger burger than that.
Double.
This is a double though. I get it. So we're cutting it 4 ways. Checking it out. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at these French fries. Oh, can you taste that? Okey-doke. Good job. You did a great job. All right.
The little things.
Gina, we took you to the hospital. We literally took Gina to the hospital.
Yes, I did.
And
Yes,
she's
we did.
much better now.
We cleaned out her colon and we're ready for more.
That's right.
No, we did
You
not.
didn't clean out my
No,
colon.
no,
Not
no.
yet.
Go number
No,
Just
one.
went number
That's right.
one to the bathroom,
Been
right?
ready.
Wow.
Okay, who wants to try it first?
Go, Mitch.
It's one of you two,
I
because
was
I'm
really
holding the
gonna
camera.
hope for a plate of some kind, you know, to put
You're
here.
fine, you're
There you go.
Well, it's pretty messy. I mean, like messy.
It looks really.
Like,
Well, knock them
well,
down
I'm
like
just
a
telling
bowling
you,
pin.
it's like messy. Like, I don't know where the bun is.
Oh, yeah, they serve it either medium or well done. Those are the options.
That's a medium rare right there.
Yeah, it's
We
absolutely.
got
There's
medium.
pink.
We got medium.
fun.
Okay.
It's good.
All right.
Very juicy.
Pretty juicy. I can
Very
see
juicy.
that. You got
Very
drips all
juicy.
over that.
Let me
No,
taste that. You can
no,
have
you gotta
mine.
grab a
This is
quarter.
mine.
Oh man.
Come on, there you go. Make it happen.
Jeez.
She's picking up a
I want
quarter.
the smallest.
The smallest one.
Oh boy.
There we go. If you want to put that back, you can, but if you like it, you might want to finish it. All right, you got it? Okay. Go ahead, Sam. They are hard to grab, aren't
They
they?
are.
Yeah.
Very much so.
Yeah, just like that last burger, I just grabbed it.
Yep. Just gotta go with it.
Whatever. Good? Yeah? All right. Grab this burger here. Oh, the bread is... All right, this is a problem.
I know.
The bottom bread is so soaked.
disintegrated.
It's just dissolving. That's not cool. That's going to be a markdown for the bun. They just have the wrong bread. They have too much juice. I don't know what they can do to fix that.
You can turn it upside down.
I don't want a dry burger. Here we go.
Look at that thing.
Okay, they forgot our shake. We had to go back and get our shake. They brought the food out, they didn't bring our shake out. So let's go take a look at it. It's like water right now. That shouldn't be like that.
Sweat it out.
None of the places, I don't care. Did
Yeah,
you leave
none
it?
of them were like that.
None of our places
Even when
were
you
like
took
that.
the thing off.
It's like water right
I lowered
now.
it.
Ugh.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm really upset. They not only forgot our shake, but they gave us a melted one. So
Straight out of the machine.
Straight out of what?
Straight out of the machine.
They soft serve. It came out like water, like
I
that.
don't know if it was water,
Well, they
but it
didn't
was,
mix it because it's vanilla.
yeah, that's how she
It's
made
just
it.
a, it's
It's
just
like
a
a
soft
soft serve.
Uh-huh.
Still, we've had so much better on the road, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shaggy. She made her own.
she did really. Yeah.
Even
So
a Shaggy
You said something good about Shaggy's?
yeah, I know.
Wow.
Dude,
Oh,
wow, they're gonna hold on to this video. You just complimented Shaggy's. Really?
there's still hope.
Okay, the burger was okay, but just really soggy, and I don't like a soggy burger. I want to be able to eat it and not fall apart. The French fries were amazing. Like, I would get those and just eat that if I ate all the carbs, but it's really good. The chili was great. The shake tasted like just ice milk. I don't even know. Not even like McDonald's ice milk. Just, I don't know. It was okay, but not something I would get again, ever.
That's just okay. That was okay to you?
It's okay. It's
All
okay.
right.
It's okay. I mean, it's got a vanilla flavor, but it's, I don't know. I don't know. It's just.
All right, you're being nice. You're being real nice.
I am.
How was it?
I like the burger because it was more medium rare. And
Right.
Yeah, and the drips. And the burger is good to me. The shake was really drippy and not really weak, but no, it's okay.
How about fries?
Fries were good. You get big serving for $8.
So you recommend people can come here? Good.
Yeah, for something, I guess.
But which one is it? They don't come here. You think they should come here?
Yes, for the fries. No, for the
Sure.
burger shake.
All right, great. Go for the fries, right?
Come for the fries, right, Mitch?
Sure.
All right, talk to me.
Okay. So their fries are absolutely amazing. They're amazing. I'm still eating them. But the burger, to Jack's point, you can't have the bottom bun absolutely disintegrate. So when you reach down, all you're grabbing is meat. If you're gonna do that, serve it upside down, where the top part's on the bottom. Let's try that. But other than that, the flavor was amazing. They cooked it exactly the way we ordered it. I thought, we didn't need to put anything on it. It was really, really good. The shake, you take it or leave it. I'm not a fan of that one. It's very runny. We couldn't turn it upside down for the test, obviously, or we'd made a really big mess. I would probably come back here and maybe try a different burger. It just depends. We ordered their best one that they have. They said it was very, very juicy. Other than that, I would come back. people should come here, but I probably wouldn't get that if they don't change with that bottom bun.
Is everybody done with the shake?
Yeah.
Are we done with the shake? Great. I want you to do a favor. Turn it up over there. I want to do the test. No, turn the cup up.
Yeah.
Over there, right
Right.
there. There we go.
I mean, that's gonna make a nasty
Every
mess.
shake has been thick.
Yeah.
Every shake that you've been able to turn over.
Absolutely.
Except for that one.
Yep.
All right. I just want to be honest. We have to save people, you know? So thank you guys so much. All right. Let me give you my thoughts. All right. First of all, French fries loaded with everything. It's like an $8. It's a great appetizer. You can split with friends. It's not just for one person. Minimum 2 people on those fries with everything on it. It's called Dirty South fries. They got everything on it. That was really good. The hamburger was really good, but you have to toast your buns. If you're listening to me and you work at the Grindhouse Killer Burgers, toast the buns so they don't disintegrate from the juice. You want them firm, just like you overcook your French fries. You're gonna put chili on them. Same concept. So that's a suggestion I make because I can't pick up a soggy burger. And that watery thing called a shake is an embarrassment. And it came out of the machine that way. And it's only, what would you say, 70 degrees maybe? Cost us $5 for this milky, runny vanilla. I didn't know what they call it. But the fries were $8, the vanilla shake was $5, and I would never get a shake here ever again. Don't bother with a shake. But the fries are rocking, the burger's rocking, all right? And that's it. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care.